define a relation R on set of integers z such that for any xy belongs to set of integer x related to y if and only if 5x plus 6y is divisible by 11. Check or show that R is an equivalence relation. So here, if we write some members of the set R, you can see here the R contain a number such as 1 1, 2 2, because in place of x if you put 1, then if you consider here x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, then 5x plus 6y is equal to 11, and this number is divisible by 11. Again, if you consider here x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2, then 10 plus 22 is equal to 10 plus 12 is equal to 22, and which is also divisible by 22 is divisible by 11. So if we collect all such a order pair xy in set of R, we want to check whether R is an equivalence relation. So first, reflexive. Okay. Now since 5x plus 6x is equal to 11x and 11x is divisible by, since it is multiple of 11 by 11 for every x belongs to set of integers, and therefore x related to x for every x belongs to z, and therefore R, given a relation R, is a reflexive relation. Now next we want to check whether it is a symmetric relation. Now suppose x related to y, if x related to y, then 5x plus 6y is divisible by 11. This implies 5x plus 6y is multiple of 11. So we can write this 5x plus 6y is equal to 11 times k for some k belongs to set of integers. Now here we want to show that the y is also related to x. To show that y is related to x, we want to show here the 5y plus 6x is multiple of 11. So consider 5y plus 6x is equal to, now we can write this 5y as 11y minus 6y, and this 11x can be written as 11x minus 5x. Okay. So this 11y minus 6y is equal to 5y, and 11x minus 5x is equal to 6x. If we this can be written as 11y plus 11x minus 6y or 5x plus 6y. So this is equal to 11 times y plus x, and what is the 5x plus 6y? It is equal to 11k minus 11k, and therefore if you take 11 outside, you will get inside the bracket y plus x minus k, and therefore this 5y plus 6x, 5y plus 6x is equal to 11 times say k dash, where k dash is equal to y plus x minus k, and which is also an integer, where k dash is also an integer. So what this implies, this 5y plus 6x is multiple of 11. This implies 5y plus 6x is divisible by 11, and therefore we can say that y is related to x, and therefore if x related to y implies y also related to x, and therefore R is symmetric relation. Now we want to check whether R is transitive relation. So next, third, transitive relation. Suppose if x related to y and y related to z, where x, y and z are all integers, this implies 5x plus 6y is divisible by 11, that is it is multiple of 11, and 5y plus 6z is equal to 11k2, since this number 5y plus 6z is also divisible by 11. To show that x related to z, we want to show here, to show that x related to z, we want to show here 5x plus 6z is divisible by 11, Now since 5x plus 6y is equal to 11k1, and this implies 5x is equal to 11k1 minus 6y, and 5y plus 6z is equal to 11k2 implies 6z is equal to 11k2 minus 5y. So if you consider 5x plus 6z, then it is equal to, what is the value of 5x? It is 11k1 minus 6y. What is the value of 6z? It is 11k2 minus 5y, and therefore you can see here, if you simplify this, 11k1, 11 times k1 plus 11 times k2 minus 6y minus 5y is equal to minus 11y. So if you take 11 outside from the right hand side, you will get k1 plus k2 minus y. Since for this term we can write it as it is equal to k3, 11 times k3, where k3 is equal to k1 plus k2 minus y, and k3 is also an integer, because k1, k2 and y is integer, therefore k3 is also an integer, and therefore this implies 5x plus 6z is equal to 6z is multiple of 11. This implies 5x plus 6z is divisible by 11, and therefore this implies x related to z. So if x related to y and y related to z implies x also related to z, and therefore R is a transitive relation. This implies R is a transitive relation. Now since R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, implies R is an equivalence relation. Okay, thank you.